Yeah.
Are we all in the view? Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
Right. Hi guys. Welcome to another video by Antiques Arena. My name's Walter O'Neill.
I'm Sandra.
We have Natalie, Steve, Isabel and Connor Davidson?
Yeah.
Davidson. They've come down to spend some time in Wales and they've called in the shop to see us. And Isabel's holding up a little picture there that you may remember from a video when Sandra abandoned me. And I drew a face on a sack of potatoes and I was talking to the potatoes. Well, we signed it. Sandra drew a version of me with my beard and my hat when I had a beard. And they've kept it all this time. So,
and a big nose.
And a big nose, thank you very much. So, Steve came round the car boot sale, came round Splot on Saturday. What was that like, mate?
Interesting,
Slow, slow, long and hard.
He stole my seat, he went for my seat and...
The next one to come over and steal a seat will be Dorothy, I think.
Yeah, definitely. I don't know, my dad Steve, what he really thought. Slow and quiet.
Yeah.
But you bought well, didn't you?
Yeah, in the end I bought alright. At the end of this video, I'm going to splice in some photographs of Steve. He collects, let's put it as antiques, toys. He's a big kid. So I'm going to splice in some videos of Steve's collection at the end. He's got a nice display of some toys.
Toy Story.
Sorry?
Toy Story.
Toy Story.
Yeah.
What other ones have you got?
Wrestlers.
I saw his collection of wrestlers.
He-Man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doctor Who.
We love Doctor Who, don't we? Who's a Doctor Who fan?
Yeah.
You.
You're a Doctor Who fan, I know. And I've had some photos of the kids with Jeeves here. But you think he's creepy, don't you, darling?
Yeah.
Never mind. So, what?
I'm more quiet. I'm not
I'm not used to this.
Yeah. Thirsty, I am. You didn't make me tea.
Yes, I did. I made tea for everyone as soon as they came.
Yes.
Everybody say hi underneath. I say they've travelled a long way. Where have you come from?
Sheffield.
Sheffield. It's a long way. Isn't that where the Full Monkeys film?
It is, oh yes, it is. Yes, oh brilliant, absolutely brilliant. My favourite.
So everybody say hi. They've come a long way to see us. So hopefully they'll have a nice week down here.
I haven't got nothing planned this week.
No? So I think that's it for a minute, guys. Unless there's anything you want to say, anyone?
No, there you go.
You're going to say hi?
Say
You're
hi.
going to say hi to the camera?
No,
Oh,
I'll add in the photos of Steve's collection at the end, guys. Make sure you have a look and leave a comment. Let him know what you think. You'll no doubt be watching. Okay, guys. So today's video is well, it's all about us having visitors today.
Yeah.
And it was really nice to actually meet some well, I wouldn't call them, yeah, I'd call them friends, not fans.
We're friends.
We read the chat on Facebook and everything, don't we? Steve and Natalie give me a couple of meerkats to go in my collection. Thank you very much. And a couple of other little bits. It was really nice to meet them. Well, we've met them before best now, but it was nice to see them again.
Children, wonderful little children.
Yeah, really nice kids. And Isabel is certainly turning into a hoarder.
she got a good eye on her, that kid.
Yeah, she was digging through the coins, and every coin she picked up was, let's just say, was a good one.
She'd done better than me. I would have looked through and wouldn't have a clue. So fair play to her.
Steve have sent me all the images now of some of his collection of his man toys, so I'm going to splice all them in at the end. But yeah, this video isn't really going to be about the antiques. It's more about friends and how nice it is to meet people and talk and share in what. Let me rephrase that. Share each other's collections and desires, and it's hard to explain, isn't it?
Yeah, for some reason, guys, I'm really quiet today.
Yeah.
I don't know what's going on. What it was, see, right? We stood back like that in the video, and I was trying to breathe in and that, you know, so it threw me off a bit, and now I'm a bit quiet, so I don't mean to be, and I'm hot. Ooh.
That's why she haven't took the cardigan off. So yeah, it's nice, as I was trying to find the right words. It's nice to share the energy of somebody else when they're collecting and they have energy, and it inspires you to want to go out and do more. Like-minded people and easy to get on with and lovely people.
Yes, definitely.
We have got a few others who've said they're going to come down over the next few weeks. So of course, when they come, I'll put those into a video as well. It was just nice to meet them again. So for Natalie, Steve, Isabel and Connor, thank you very much for making the effort and the time to come and say hello to us.
We really do appreciate it.
So
yeah.
This video is dedicated to you guys. Anything you want to add now?
No.
Sandra's doing really well, guys. I'm going to let her tell you her total so far. Come on.
No, go on, I'll leave you to it.
3 stone?
No, I got 1.5 pounds to go.
It's 3 stone, guys. She hasn't weighed this week yet, so it's 3 stone.
Look, I'm getting it. I'm getting it a little bit. Fitness at the gym. I'm now a fitness fanatic.
My diet at the moment, guys, I'm sorry to say, is it beat me at the moment. I done 2 months and lost 2.5 stone, or whatever it was, stupid amount of weight. I've been really naughty since. I
put my Easter egg aside to have tomorrow. I wouldn't even have an Easter egg.
Somebody here kept sabotaging me. I was doing really well on my diet. She'd go over to Iceland the shop, another country, and she'd go to Iceland and she'd come back with a Toblerone because they were down to £1. A big Toblerone, and she'd sit there knowing I couldn't resist it. She sabotaged me on purpose.
Oh, I went up to Greg's as well and bought chocolate, well, no, it wasn't chocolate glaze, custard slices for him and brought them back.
She's trying to keep me fat, and honest to God, guys.
Doesn't he look lovely? I said, there's nothing wrong with you. With me, it's different. I train. I'm on the weights, guys. Guys, I'm on the weights. What's going on with the weights? I like the, you know. So it's not just cardio anymore.
Truthfully, she's found herself a little hot stuff that she's training with.
Do you know, he helps me out. He's a good friend, and he showed me how to do stuff tidy.
The fact he got biceps up here, guys, and the chest out like Arnie, you know, just, you know.
You don't judge a book by his cover, darling. He's a really nice boy, and he helps me, because I didn't know how to do the weights. I really didn't, and now I know how to do them tidy. You know, do the lifting and that, and I can go on my neck and stuff. But it's a new path. It saves me, because I'm a lot on cardio and on the running machines. Now I'm working the top half of my body and pulling everything in as well. It's kind of an all-rounder then, innit? So yeah, I got a new friend that have helped me. Plus I got my friend Natalie that does Zumba classes.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Down in Abercynon Sports Centre. If any of you watch around here, pop down, guys, have a little look around. Honest to God, she does Zumba and aqua aerobics now on a Tuesday. 6 o'clock is Zumba, 7 o'clock is aqua aerobics, and I absolutely love the classes, and Natalie's brilliant. So yeah, pop down and give her a go if you want to be honest. I do like that. We do advertising for Natalie.
Yeah. Oh well, what can I say? I don't mind. Let me see, anything else? No. It's just a general video of being happy, meeting friends, and just general, innit?
And being warm, guys. Warm, guys. I'm boiling, yeah.
Anyway. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing well, us with friends.
Yeah.
If you have, I would appreciate a like and a share, guys. If you want to come down, feel free to come down, and I'll try and get Happy out of bed so she can come and join in the film with us.
Dieting, perfect the chops to me about. I love talking about diets at the moment, and we can talk about sabotaging friends.
Guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know you've subscribed and I'll give you a thumbs up. Oh, by the way, most of what you will see tomorrow, because I haven't published a video yet, the Titanic picture and things like that, they sold before I've even put the video out. So whatever you do, don't go asking for the Titanic picture and things. It's gone already. Quite a lot of what I bought that day is gone already. Anyway, you'll find me on Facebook. I have a page and a group, Antiques Arena. You'll find me on my own website, antiquesarena.co.uk and antiquesarena.com. Or, like Natalie and Steve, you can come visit us. Antiques Arena, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot, 45, 3 Hotel Bravo. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.
Whoa, no, bye for now. What are you on about trying to get me up out of bed?
Bye for now.
I was up, guys. I was up, I was just lying on my bed, enjoying my moment of just quiet, blissful peace while children slept.
Shall I show them the texts?
I was like, no, you haven't got, go on, show them text.
Bye, guys.
You haven't got text, guys. Bye.